Welcome back to the VIEZU workshop. Today we've got a Yaris on the ramp GR. She's got a few modifications and a tuning box fitted already, so we'll strap her down, see what the first run does. We'll go from there. We did a stock run with the box off. The other modifications, including the exhaust, are obviously on. With the box off, she ran 262 brake, so still well over stock. But then we turned the box on the second run and it went up to 303 brake, so quite a significant improvement.
Try to catch me howling at the
If you want to get your car in, see what she's running, and then see what improvements we can make to it, give us a call on 01789 774444 or drop us an email at info@viezu.com.